Hey, good morning everybody. It's Brandon Johnson here with Southern Star Roofing Company. Just wanted to swing by today. Happy Friday to everybody. Hope you all had a blessed week. I'm with Brother Jay. Brother Jay is the minister of a church that we're actually doing today, about 2 or 3 miles from downtown Charlotte. And we've got about 128 squares of landmark lifetime, high definition architectural shingles going on. Looking like a 2 or 3 day installation, and we're so happy to be out here putting the church roof on. But I wanted to introduce Brother Jay to you. Brother Jay, just kind of tell us about the church, your experience with Southern Star so far, your expectations, and how well we're fulfilling those for you thus far.
So, I'm Brother Jay. I am the minister here in the Church of Christ. And our experience so far with Southern Star construction or roofing has been something that has been so blessed, something so great. Because we didn't think that it was going to be this extensive, but it's actually really, really great. Everything that we've processed with Southern Star, making sure that everything runs properly, has gone according to plans. So far, I would like to say that this is probably the best contract that we've ever made with another one when it comes to roofing out here in Mecklenburg.
Excellent. Brother Jay, we appreciate the trust of you and your congregation here. Folks, we're Southern Star Roofing. Hope you have a blessed weekend. We're going to do another follow-up video once we install this beautiful roof. And everyone, God bless. Have a good weekend. Thanks so much. Goodbye.